This 2019 Volvo XC60 is brought to you by Next Step Auto Sales LLC, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Volvo is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, Drive-E i4 inline 4-cylinder engine, and has 60,706 miles. Drive luxury and safety with this 2019 Volvo XC60, exceptional value, ready for adventure. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.